Hello everyone, this is our project Smart AR Shopping, which deals with the problem of finding shortest possible path in a big supermarket, passing through all the stores where user has to buy something. So our whole project is designed on Unity Development Platform, and this is the first welcome scene that will appear in front of user as he opens it at the entry gate of the supermarket, or we can say at the origin of the supermarket. So a start shopping button will appear in front of the user, and after clicking on this button user will be directed to login register page where user can log in or register himself using some credentials like username, email and passwords. If user tries to log in or register himself without giving right credentials, then the error message will be shown below the buttons. So after successful login or registration, user will be directed to this options page where all the stores available in the supermarket will be shown in the form of toggles. User can select here multiple options according to their choice, and after selecting these options, user has to hit the submit button. So we will be taking input by the means of toggles, and after the user hits the submit button, the application will check the state of each toggle, if it is in on condition or in off condition, and if it finds it's on, then the toggles label will be added in an array list. Now after this, algorithm comes into play, and we initially we will assign each and every store two-dimensional coordinates, and after hitting the submit button, the application will arrange all the coordinates, means the coordinates of the store selected by the user, in such a order that it will generate the shortest possible path. This we will achieve by this, like initially we will calculate the distance of the Manhattan distance of each point from the origin, that is the entry gate of the supermarket, and after that we will find which point is the nearest to the origin, and the closest point will be treated as the first point where user has to go. And after we get the first point, now again we will repeat the same process. We again calculate the Manhattan distance of the rest of the points in the array list except the origin, because user has already passed the origin, and again we will find the closest point, which will be regarded as the second point where user has to go, and this process will continue until user covers all the points which he has selected. So in this way, all the points we can arrange in such order that will generate the shortest possible path. So after hitting the submit button, system will ask user to turn on his camera, and the path of the user will be like this, which will pass through all the stores where user has to buy something. And here, like, the blue ball is the origin or the starting point of the user, and this pink rail is the path which user has to follow. The red balls are the coordinates of turns, and all the places where pictures are inserted are the places where the stores are situated. So in this way user can follow this path, and this path will be the shortest possible path. For achieving this all, we have used 4 C# scripts and 4 scenes. Obviously for each scene we have written a C# script, and out of these C# scripts, shopping and draw path C# scripts are more important. In shopping C# script, we are taking user input by the means of toggle, reading the toggle's response, and arranging the coordinates in the form of vectors. So this was the algorithm implementation, and we have done till the path finding algorithm implementation, and now the augmented reality part is still remaining. So that's all about the project. Thank you.